Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a slime. It's a kind of small slime, so this is the ingredients that I have. I have some lotion and some hand soap. So yeah, so let's get on to the video. So here is the slime. It is like not a good slime. That's why we're making it. So first, what I'm going to add is some lotion. Sorry about the background noises. That's a kind of lot of lotion. It's kind of getting like really sticky. And it's like keep on sticking to my desk. There is a slime. That's some hand foaming. So, like this slime looks so nice on the camera, but then like in like, oh my goodness, guys, it's like literally melted. Wait. So I wouldn't suggest you to add hand foaming soap. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys want me to upload a new video, and tell me some suggestions that you would like for me to do on the next video. Bye!